Minesweeper is a very popular logic-based puzzle. Today, we're going to learn how to play the classic game Minesweeper. Let's understand the objective of the game. The goal is to clear a rectangular board without hitting any hidden mines. You achieve this by revealing all the safe cells and correctly flagging all the mines. If you click on a cell containing a mine and the mine explodes, the game is over. Let's look at the gameplay. Minesweeper game typically play in 3 different board sizes: beginner, intermediate, expert. Let's understand in 9-9 beginner game mode. Click any square on the grid to begin the game. The first click is always safe and won't contain a mine. If you don't accidentally click on bomb, the bunch of blank tiles and numbers appears. Flagging mines. Right-click to flag suspected mines. This helps you keep track of where you think mines are and prevents accidental clicks. You will be unable to accidentally left-click a marked square. Understanding numbers. When you click on a square that doesn't contain a mine, it will reveal a number 1 to 8. Each number can range from 1 to 8, indicating the presence of mines in the surrounding 8 cells, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. Look at the numbers that appear. This number indicates how many mines are adjacent to that square. For example, if you see a 1, it means there is 1 mine next to that cell. Let's look at another example. If you see a 2 and it touching 3 tiles, it means 2 of those 3 tiles will have mines on them. How to win. Play until you click and open all the square and marked all the mines. Once all the mines have been properly marked and the rest of the board cleared, you win. If you accidentally click on mines, you lose. I hope now you understand the how to play Minesweeper. If you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you are still new to our channel MG Games, I will see you around in some new video series. Till then, take care, bye-bye.